Good morning students. Welcome to chemistry online class. In this session we will discuss the topic general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals from the lesson alkali and alkaline earth metals. Already we know the alkaline earth metals are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Among these elements, radium possesses the radioactive nature. Alkaline earth metals are also called group 2 elements. First of all, valence or oxidation state of the alkaline earth metals is +2. That is, alkaline earth metal possesses the dipositive oxidation state. But alkali metals possess the monopositive, that is +1 oxidation state. Generally, alkaline earth metal compounds possess the ionic nature. But comparing alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals possess the less ionic nature. Comparing alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals are less ionic than alkali metals. Alkaline earth metals are less ionic than alkali metals. Why? The question is why? The answer is, first one, alkaline earth metals are in small size. And then alkaline earth metals possess the increased nuclear charge. Due to the small size and increased nuclear charge of the alkaline earth metals, that's why alkaline earth metals are less ionic than alkali metals. And then our topic is oxides. Generally, alkaline earth metals forms the monooxides and peroxides. Our first topic is monooxides. How the monooxides are formed? Alkaline earth metals are heated with oxygen. It forms the monooxides. Alkaline earth metals are heated with oxygen. It forms the monooxides. Generally, I am representing alkaline earth metals are M. It reacts with oxygen. On heating, it forms the monooxides. That is MO. Balancing the equation here too and then here too. Among the alkaline earth metal oxides, beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide are almost insoluble in water, but the monooxides, it has the tendency to form hydroxides. Beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide are almost insoluble in water. The monooxide, it has the tendency to form hydroxides. Among the monooxides, beryllium oxide possesses only covalent nature. Among all the monooxides, beryllium oxides possess the covalent nature. Now, the question is why beryllium oxide possesses covalent nature? It is due to the small size of Be2+ ion. Due to the small size of the Be2+ ion, beryllium oxide possesses the covalent nature. But remaining oxides possess the ionic nature. Now, beryllium oxide possesses the amphoteric nature. The question is, what is amphoteric nature? The oxide which act as acid as well as base behavior is called amphoteric. I am repeating, the oxide which has the tendency to act acid as well as base, such a tendency is called amphoteric. Anyway, beryllium oxide possesses the amphoteric nature. Magnesium oxide possesses the weakly basic nature. And then remaining oxides, that is calcium oxide, strontium oxide and barium oxide possess the strongly basic nature. Our next topic is peroxide. All group 2 element forms peroxides. That is, among the group 2 elements, that is magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium forms the peroxides, but beryllium, it does not form peroxide. All the group 2 element forms peroxides. Beryllium does not form peroxides. The answer is due to the small size. Due to the small size of the Be2 plus ion, beryllium does not form peroxides. How the peroxides are formed? Monooxides are heated with oxygen at a high temperature. It forms peroxides. Monooxides are heated with oxygen at a high temperature. It forms peroxides. Balancing the equation here too and then here too. Our next topic is hydroxides. All the oxides are basic in nature. The exception is beryllium oxide. It possesses the amphoteric nature. Now the question is how hydroxides are formed. Oxides are treated with water. It forms the hydroxides. That is, oxides MO is treated with water. It forms the hydroxides MOH twice. These hydroxides possess the sparingly soluble nature. Alkaline earth metal hydroxide possess the sparingly soluble nature, and then solubility, thermal stability and basic character of the hydroxides is directly proportional to the electropositive character. Solubility, thermal stability and basic character of the hydroxides are directly proportional to the electropositive character. This relationship indicates solubility, thermal stability and basic character of the hydroxides increases on moving down the group. I am repeating, solubility, thermal stability and basic character of the hydroxides are increases on moving down the group. Now, alkaline earth metal hydroxides are alkaline earth metal hydroxides are less basic, less stable than alkali metal hydroxides. I am repeating, alkaline earth metal hydroxides are less basic, less stable than alkali metal hydroxides. All the alkaline earth metal hydroxides possess the basic nature. The exception is beryllium hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxide, it shows the amphoteric nature. That is, beryllium hydroxide, it has the tendency to react with the acid as well as base. Let us see the amphoteric nature nature of beryllium hydroxide in the equation format. Beryllium hydroxide, it reacts with hydrochloric acid is a acid. It forms beryllium chloride BeCl2 along with water molecule formation, balancing equation here 2 and then here 2. So this equation indicates beryllium hydroxide, it reacts with the acid, and then beryllium hydroxide, it reacts with the sodium hydroxide is the base, it forms sodium berylate. Along with the water molecule formation, sodium berylate, its formula is Na2BeO2, balancing the equation here 2 and then here 2. So these two equations shows the amphoteric nature of the beryllium hydroxide. Our next topic is halides. Alkaline earth metals, that is group 2 elements, are treated with the halogens. On heating, it forms the halides. Halides, its general formula is Mx2. M is the alkaline earth metals are treated with the halogens X2. On heating, it forms the metal halides, that is Mx2. Among the alkaline earth metal halides, beryllium halides only possess the covalent nature. Now the question is, why beryllium halides only possess the covalent nature? It is due to the small size of Be2+ ion. Beryllium halides are soluble in organic solvents. It is due to the covalent nature. Beryllium halides are fumes in moist air. Beryllium halides, it possesses the hygroscopic nature. Hygroscopic, its meaning is absorbs moisture from its surroundings. Let us consider the structure of beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride in solid state, it possesses the chain structure. Beryllium chloride in vapor state, it possesses the chloro bridged dimer structure. This chloro bridged dimer structure on heating at a high temperature, that is the temperature range is around 1200 Kelvin, the chloro bridged dimer is dissociated into, it forms the monomer. Let us see the chain structure of the beryllium chloride. We know this chain structure is only possible in the solid state. Now let us see the chloro bridged dimer. The word dimer indicates the two monomer units which is identical or similar or associated by the covalent or non-covalent bond. BeCl2, BeCl2. This is the separate monomer and this is the separate monomer. These two monomers are similar. These two monomers are associated by using the chlorine atoms. So this structure is the chloro-bridged dimer. This chloro-bridged dimer structure is only possible in the vapor state. This structure on heating high temperature, the temperature range is 1200 Kelvin. Chloro-bridged dimer undergoes decomposition. It forms the monomer. The monomer is BeCl2, beryllium chloride. All the alkaline earth metal halides are ionic in nature. The exception is beryllium halide. It possesses the covalent nature. Chlorides and fluorides of other metals, that is except beryllium, other alkaline earth metal chlorides and fluorides are ionic solids. These ionic solids are good conductors of electricity. If the ionic solids are present in the fused state, that is melted state, and then ionic solids are present in aqueous solution, the ionic solids are good conductors of electricity. If the ionic solids are in melted state or fused state and in aqueous solution, ionic solids act as a good conductors of electricity. Halide hydrate formation is inversely proportional to the electropositive character. If the electropositive character increases on moving down the group, in the same time halide hydrate formation decreases on moving down the group. Electropositive character increases on moving down the group. Halide hydrate formation decreases on moving down the group. Example, magnesium chloride dot 8H2O and then calcium chloride dot 6H2O and then strontium chloride 6H2O and then barium chloride dot 2H2O. This salt shows the halide hydrate formation decreases on moving down the group. Our next topic is salts of oxoacids. The first one is carbonates. The general molecular formula is MCO3. Alkaline earth metal carbonates. On heating, it forms the metal oxide along with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Solubility of carbonates in water decreases on moving down the group. Solubility of carbonates in water decreases on moving down the group. And then next, thermal stability. Thermal stability is directly proportional to the cationic size, or thermal stability is directly proportional to the electropositive character. On moving down the group, electropositive character increases, so cationic size increases, and then thermal stability also increases. On moving down the group, thermal stability increases. Our next topic is sulfates. Its general formula is MS4. All the alkaline earth metal sulfates are white solids and stable to heat. Among the alkaline earth metal sulfates, only beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate is readily soluble in water, that is easily soluble in water, but the solubility decreases from calcium sulfate to barium sulfate. Now the question is, why solubility decreases from calcium sulfate to barium sulfate? The answer is lattice energy decreases more rapidly than the hydration energy. That is, hydration energy of Be2 plus and Mg2 plus is greater than the lattice energy. Solubility decreases from calcium sulfate to barium sulfate. It is due to the hydration energy of Be2 plus and the Mg2 plus is greater than the lattice energy. And then nitrates, its general formula is MnO3 twice. How the nitrates are formed? Nitrates are prepared by dissolution of carbonates in dilute nitric acid. Now the question is, what is dissolution? Dissolution, its meaning is process of dissolving. Nitrates are prepared by the process of dissolving carbonates in dilute nitric acid. Magnesium nitrate crystallizes with 6 moles of the water. It forms the hydrated salt. But barium nitrate crystallizes with water. It forms the anhydrous salt. These two examples shows on moving down the group, hydrated salt formation decreases. Nitrates on heating, it undergoes decomposition. It forms the oxides. Nitrates on heating, it undergoes decomposition. It forms the oxides. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, students. Thank you.